Studying graphs through a framework provides answers to many arrangements, networking, optimization, matching, and operational problems. Graphs can be used to model many types of relations and processes in physical, biological, social, and information systems, and has a wide range of useful applications. The purpose of a graph is to present data that are too numerous or complicated to be described adequately in the text and in less space. Understanding scientific data and the relationship between atoms and molecules, graphs helps us make sense of complex information quickly and effectively. The primary purpose of a graph is twofold. Firstly, a graph is used to express equations visually. This graphical representation of equations help in understanding the relationship between different variables in a better way. Secondly, graphs are valuable in the display of statistics or data. Graphs and charts are important because they help an audience to quickly analyze data and see relationship. They help to simplify data so that an audience can easily understand and remember it.
Mga uri ng graphs. Unahin natin sa undirected graphs. Pangalawa ay meron tayong directed graphs. Pangatlo ay ang directed acyclic graph. Pang-apat naman ay weighted graph. At ito ang importanteng klase naman ng graph. Ang importanteng klase ng graph ay ang trees. At dito sa trees, meron siyang tatlong properties. Lahat ng trees ay konektado sa acyclic. Pangalawa ay inaalis nito ang edge disconnects graphs at pangatlo naman ay dinadagdagan ang edges para gumawa ng cycle. Sa graph representation ay meron tayong iilan na pagpipilian. Ang unang ideya ay ang adjacency matrix, sumunod ay ang edge set, at ang pangatlo naman ay ang adjacency list. At ito ang karaniwan na ginagamit sa representation.
So let's proceed to the interesting graph problem. Here are some questions of interesting graph problem. Does a path exist between vertex S and I? Upang matukoy ang kung may path sa pagitan ng source vertex at target vertex sa isang graph, maaari mong gamitin ang mga sumusunod na pamamaraan batay sa uri ng graph, nakadirekta o hindi. To the second question, is a graph connected? Upang matukoy kung konektado ang isang graph, kailangan nating suriin kung ang bawat vertex ay umaabot mula sa bawat iba pang vertex sa graph. There is the third question. What is the path of least length between vertex S and I? Para mahanap ang path na may pinakamalit na haba sa pagitan ng source vertex at target vertex sa isang graph, maaari kang gumamit ng iba't ibang algorithm depende sa uri ng graph at kung may mga edge weight. So number 4. Does the graph contains cycles? Upang suriin kung ang isang graph ay naglalaman ng mga cycle, ang discard ay depende sa kung ang graph ay nakadirekta o hindi nakadirekta. So let's proceed to question number 5. Given a set of k colors, can we assign colors to each vertex so that no two neighbors are assigned the same colors? So, kilalang problemang ito bilang problema sa pangkulay ng graph at ang layunin ay matukoy kung posible bang magtalaga ng mga kulay sa mga vertices ng isang graph. Upang walang dalawang magkatabing vertices ang magkakaparehong kulay gamit ang karamihan sa mga kulay. That is the some question of interesting graph problem.
Why study graph? Studying graphs is essential because they provide a powerful way to model and analyze the relationship between objects or entities in various fields, including computer science, biology, social networks, and logistics.
Example of graphs show up everywhere. Graphs appear everywhere because they are versatile tools for visually analyzing relationship patterns in data. They are used in various fields such as mathematics, science, business, and technology to represent connection between entities, trends over time, or distribution of data. Importance of terminology. Terminology is essential for effective communication as it provides a shared understanding of concepts and ensures clarity, particularly in specialized fields. Precise, reduce ambiguity, streamline collaboration, and facilitate the transfer of knowledge by creating a common language among professionals. Fact of graph representation. Graph representation plays a significant role in various fields such as computer science, data analysis, and artificial intelligence, enabling modeling complex relationships between entities by using nodes, vertices, and edge connection. Graphs provide a flexible way to present real-world problems such as social networks, transportation system, or molecular structures. Diversity problems in graph theory. Graph theory represents a wide diversity of problems that involves the study of graphs, which are mathematical structure used to model pairwise relationship between objects. Problems in graph theory range from basic tasks like determining the connectivity between vertices to more complex challenge as finding the shortest path, identifying clicks, or coloring graph with the minimum number of colors.